Should you get a certificate or a degree? Well, it's really all about you and your career goals. First, look at job postings in your desired field. What qualifications do they ask for? If you're thinking about a professional certificate, they are a great option for developing key skills quickly and affordably. And they're designed for pursuing specific roles in months rather than years. Degrees, on the other hand, deepen subject knowledge, open up more career options, and can be great for networking, making them a long-term investment that can increase earning power. And if a degree sounds interesting, before you take the leap to apply, see if you can get college credit for prior learning. And here's another tip. Certain degree programs from universities like University of Illinois, University of London, UPenn, CU Boulder, and others actually offer online courses that are actually part of their degree. That means you can try out one of the courses, see exactly what the experience is like before you ever commit to pursuing the full degree. And you can find these courses on Coursera. And remember, both certificates and degrees have a value. It all just depends on your goals, timeline, and the skills that you need now and for the future. Check the link in our bio for more info.